Hello everyone, today it's time for a new tutorial. I know it's been a long time and a lot of you have already asked about this video, so here it is, my step-by-step guide for Appliques with flock transfer foil. I already used this method for my Anna cosplay and for my Sassay cosplay and I got so many questions about it, so let's get started. Hope I can answer everything in this video. The material I'm using today is called Flock in Germany and it's basically a vinyl transfer foil which has a soft side like velvet and one smooth side which contains a heat-activated glue. If you don't like the velvet look, you can also use regular vinyl transfers which are smooth like rubber. As far as I know, the online shop where I ordered my foil just ships in Europe, so you may need to find a local supplier by yourself. The transfer foil I'm using can be applied to cotton, mixed spoon, polyester and viscose fabric. But it is important that the fabric is not elastic, otherwise the design could be destroyed when you stretch the material. If you still want to add an applique to stretch fabric, there are different suppliers who offer stretch vinyl transfers. A friend of mine already pre-cutted my design into the transfers so I can easily remove the excess around. If you buy the foil at a local art shop, they probably can cut your design as well. All they need is a vector-based data of your design. I made mine with Adobe Illustrator. If you want to save some money and the design is not too complex, you can buy the foil online and cut out the design by hand. Therefore, you can use a pair of nail scissors or a cutting knife. It's really important to mirror the design, especially if you are adding text to your costume. After you cutted the transfers, you can place them onto your costume and fix them with a pair of needles. Afterwards, you can do a final fitting test to check if the design is well aligned. If you are placing more than one of your designs, you should definitely measure the spacing in between and make sure that the transfers look good in a row. After everything is placed at its final spot, it's time to attach the transfers. All you need is a regular iron on the hottest setting, about 150 to 180 degrees. Make sure that the glue side lays down onto the fabric and press the iron onto the foil for about 15 to 20 seconds. After the foil is cooled off completely, you can remove the clear support film. If you are working with several colors, you can attach all at one time, but you have to make sure that the foil does not overlap during the process. I like to attach one color after another. This way the design does not slip so fast. The costume can be washed with 60 degrees afterwards, but only if you used enough pressure during the ironing process. So I hope you liked this video and it was helpful for your next cosplay project. If you have any questions left, feel free to leave a comment down below. Subscribe if you don't want to miss my next video. Thank you guys for watching, I'll see you next time.